Today we are going to cover the different batch modes on a Fortress Raptor Checkweigher. To do this, we must navigate to our batch menu and through to batch settings on the lower right of the screen. Our pop-up window will now show us which batch mode we are currently in, and now we will open that up to show our options. We currently have auto, plan batch, and manual entry. Auto batch mode will start a batch as soon as the start button is pressed. Plan batch mode will prompt the user to select between pre-configured batches in order to start a batch, while manual entry will prompt the user to enter the details of each batch before starting. We are now going to cover setting up a plan batch in the Fortress Checkweigher. We will select our plan batch mode, accept, and we can now look at what plan batches we have set up within the system. You can see here we currently have no plan batches created. To create a new batch, we will select Add New Batch on the lower left of the screen. You will first be prompted to enter a batch reference number. This is a number that can be referred to later when the batch is saved in the statistics files and exported for any analysis. We'll accept, and now we can enter our other parameters, which the next one will be our number of packs. This current batch will be running 100 packs, and once the last pack has crossed the system will go into a pause state and alert that the batch has been completed. Next, we can select which product we'll be running within this batch. For this example, we would like to run product 3 in our first batch. Once the parameters have been settled, we can add this batch, and it is added to our current plan batches list. If the batch must be changed later on before the batch is started, you can press the Edit Batch button and enter any new parameters that are selected. In order to start running this batch, all you have to do, you go back to our home screen. You will press the Start button from the home screen, which will bring up a menu that allows you to select from a list of planned batches to run. And you may start running your batch.